Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, Maniology. I'm not a nail channel. And so therefore, I had to think of a way that I can do this and show you guys this amazing company because first off, I want to talk about how amazing they have been to me during, a lot of you know that I had a really serious car accident. I was on bed rest for 2.5 months. I was unable to keep up with filming and things that were coming in PR. Some of the companies that I work with were just absolutely so loving, caring, and kind, and Maniology was one of them. So I want to thank you for that. And now I hope I can do you justice for somebody that does not do nails. They found me on social media, and for some reason they thought I would be a good person to show their company off. You know what I love about this company? They say that practice makes beautiful. And what a great way of making me feel like I can do this. I just need to practice. And as I practice, I will get better at it. The other thing that I've heard them say at Maniology that I just absolutely love is that they say that stamping is a creative journey. They want to empower your self-expression one manicure at a time. And I just love that. I was like, okay, I can do this. I need to quit beating myself up. So there's a couple things that I want to do. I am going to do a stamping on my nails. Let me explain. My nails, I wear a lot of fake nails, and the reason why is because, not because my fake nails have ruined my real nails, because ever since I could ever remember, I've always had awful nails. I don't know if it was because I had not a lot of food growing up, and so poor nutrition might have caused that. I don't know, but my nails cannot grow. They're so thin, they're so brittle. Even just you see my nails and they don't have paint on them, they're flaking off, and they don't look nice at all ever. So when I got reached, I was a little reluctant to do nail videos because like that's kind of thing that I am self-conscious about. I'm awful at painting my nails too. And I know that this company is really, truly what they say they actually stand behind, because they want to take people like me, like you maybe, that are not nail people, and be able to say, hey, you can use your creativity on your nails as well. They sent me another little Halloween set, which I'm super excited about. And if you wait until the end of this video, I'm also going to be giving away one of the nail plates. If you're interested, stay around. I'll tell you what you need to do to enter for that giveaway. Just to show you what I got, I have the stamping plate Maniology M520, and this is the pumpkins. I love this one. I love the little faces in the center. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use this one. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one on some fake nails, because I have the little setup to do some stamping on the fake nails, and so I thought that would be fun. But on my nails, and why they're black, I'm going to use, of course, my favorite of all time, and that's the Maniology M395, and this is the true crime plate. And y'all know me. If you don't, subscribe. I would love to have you here. But if you do know me, you know I love me some true crime. And you know, it goes in with Halloween too, because it's all things scary. And so we're going to stamp some of that on my actual nails. And then I'm just going to show you what I already own. This one here is just like, you know, some leaves, some foliage and stuff like that. I thought that would be a real fun one to play with. But ultimately why I wanted this one is because there's a hummingbird on that. And I love hummingbirds. And so I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting that one. This is one of the first plates, and this is the first plate that I started out with. And this one this is what I got all giddy over, is creating my nails with this one here. And this has just got like some face and crystal and all this stuff, and reach for the stars and shine bright. I used to sell jewelry, so I love all things sparkly and shiny, amethyst and topaz and all those things. I love those things. I love jewelry. So those are my plates. This is the little scraping tool that I got that was separate. When you buy one of the kits, it comes with one that's about half this size. And so I kind of wanted a bigger one, and I really loved how this one looks. So I picked that one up myself, and I also picked this up myself. And this is a stamper tool. This one came with the kit. And I like that one, but I think I messed it up because I wiped it off, I think, with acetone once. So don't wipe your stampers with acetone, okay? Trial and error. That's not what you do. You wipe your plates with 100% pure acetone, not fingernail polish remover, because fingernail polish remover has other additives in it that will give you a film on your plates. Also, these come with a blue film over top of it. You want to make sure you peel that off. And then these stampers here, this one, I'm so sad because I messed up that one. And then I messed up this one because it was stuck in the lid whenever it came and I could not get it out. And when I was getting it out, I scraped it with my fingernail. So I actually got this one just for this one here. It's magnified. So like you want to have that clear because look, like it like magnifies it. And you know, when you get a certain age, magnification is always a good thing. I'm sad about that. I might have to try to replace that one. But whenever you get these, the other little tip that I learned is that you take these out and you wash them in warm soapy water and rinse them off, and then take a paper towel and blot it off. Be really careful. These are fragile. And so blot it off. And then if there's any lint or anything left over on it, you just take a piece of Scotch tape and you just dab it. Scotch tape is your friend. And I'm learning that really quickly as well. So in my set, they sent me the True Crime and the pumpkins. And what I didn't know is I already had the True Crime. I thought they were different, but they were the same. So I will be giving away a True Crime plate because I have two now. So I am excited to get that in the hands of one of you guys. I do have a code with them. And so if you ever do order anything from them, if you decide you want to use my code, it will save you some money as well. So these are the 3 polishes that I picked out. This is like a holographic. Y'all know if you see me do my makeup, you know, this is my kind of color right here. A holographic, like holochrome. It's so beautiful. And I had to get these because these just scream fall and pumpkins and all things Halloween. Those were definitely going to be in the collection. And then I actually said to them, you know, I picked out these 3 polishes and they wanted me to pick out 2 plates. And so that's the plates that I picked. I picked these 3 polishes and I reached out to them and I just said, hey, I just realized that I needed top coat. I don't have any top coat. I said, if you could send me some top coat, that would be great. But if you can't just put it in my box, then just take this one out. You know, I was telling them to take the green one out and just put the top coat in because I really do need top coat. They ended up sending me these 3. And instead of just sending me a top coat, they sent me the whole set of the sticky base coat and the top coat. Thank you so much, Maniology, because you didn't have to do that. And that was so incredibly sweet of you. And I truly, truly appreciate that. So now I have that set of the base coat and the top coat. So I really do appreciate that. The other thing that I want to talk about with the polishes, because I wondered this myself, and through doing some research, I'm wondering, can you use regular polish? And what they said is that you can. The difference is that these are way more opaque. Like they are one coat opaque polishes because you can't do multiple coats on your stamp. So these are going to show up. So another thing that I have noticed is that a lot of people may not know this, but I have extremely small nails. And I don't know if you can tell on camera or not, but when I go to order fake nails online, I have to get extra small. And everybody that I order from always says, are you sure you want extra small? And I'm like, yes, please. The width area is just very small. I know that like a skull, that skull will not fit completely on. So I have to get super creative. And I may just be doing like some of the pattern designs, but I'm going to try to pick up this True Crime one. And I know I can do it on fake nails. There's so much creativity. Like you can take half of the skull and put it on there. There's just so many different neat ways that you can pick up the design and create a look off of it. Really, you just got to play around with it and figure out what works best for you. Okay, so let's just dip right into this. I'm going to be using, like I said, Thriller, and I'm going to do that True Crime Odyssey. And they always say to just like cover half of the design, always scrape towards the nearest edge. Now, I probably took too long. Just that little design on that stamping plate. I can't get all the lettering on my fingernails, but that is because I just have abnormally small nails. But I can already tell you, I don't even care if I can't see the words because look at that. Look how freaking cute that is. I mean, come on already. That is cute. I love it. Okay, and so the other thing is that you want Scotch tape. You want to clean your stamper each time. And also you're gonna want to clean your plate with acetone every single time. I'm gonna do a big part of this newspaper thing. That's so cool. I know, it's just so cool, you guys. Okay, you can't see it very well. And now what they say to do with this, like if it overlaps onto your fingers, that's okay. Like I saw where they just kind of press it down and let it dry just a little bit. You take a piece of tape and see how it removes. Just super, super easy. Just takes it right off. I'm going to take a little bit of acetone, just wipe and get the edges off because there's barely anything left. That is so stinking cute. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Got the newspaper article. I think what I'll do, I will leave maybe this one blank, or I'll stamp it with a different color. I'll stamp it with white. Maybe. This is where the creativity comes in. It is so cute, and it's dry. It's completely dry right now, so that's awesome. I think I want to do flowers on my pinky and then try to do like at least half that skull on my middle finger. Let's go ahead and do the flowers for the pinky. Cute. Sorry, my hands are just dried out from doing so much acetone because my nails, I'm just not good at painting my nails, so I was already behind the 8 ball. So if I can do this, you can do this. I said that on my last video and I mean it. I can make cute nails. You definitely can. Cute. I don't know if you can see the flower pattern very well on this camera. Such a pretty shade too that we're layering over top of this. Now we're going to do this skull on the middle, and we're going to redo that because I forgot to take off the last one. See, trial and error, practice makes beautiful. We're okay. And see how easy it was to remove it. I tell you guys, my fingernails are just small, but at least I got partial, like here's the top of the skull's head on my finger. But still, you can see that it's a skull, so I am not mad at it. And it looks like I can just probably take a piece of tape and just clear edges off. Yep, won't even have to use acetone on this one. That's what we got going so far. Let's go ahead and do the other side the same way, and then we'll switch over to the white for that last finger. Let's do the pinky first. Let's do the roses. I don't know, that one didn't come out the way the other one did, but that's okay. That's all right. It still looks good. It just doesn't look the same, but it still turned out cute. So I am not mad at it. It's pretty foolproof, I think. Like I learned that the last time too, that this is my only second time doing this. So, and I know the more I do this, the easier it's going to become. Let's go ahead and do the skull because that's the next finger. Put that on there, and where'd my scraper go? This is why they say keep it clean. This fingernail is maybe just a little bit longer, maybe, I don't know. So there's the skull, very cool. Oh, there you go, you can see it pretty good there. And let's go ahead and do the true crime. This nail is even smaller than the other one, but it still looks good. Super cute. And I am doing the whole paper, covering it because I know I don't need all of it, but that way you can pick where you want. And take up high. Oh, I gotta remember to show you guys what I'm doing. It's so cute. I messed up the side, but it's okay. I pressed a little wonky, but it's still got on the top, it's the newspaper print. So I'm so happy with that. Okay, I'm gonna take my tape. I'm gonna clean up my stamper first and foremost. I'm learning. If I do that, I won't forget that step. So that's gonna have to be first and foremost before I do anything else. And now I'm gonna take the tape to remove all the extras. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture of what this looks like out in the sun afterwards so you guys can see. Totally cute. Okay, and then I'm going to stamp with that white one. I'm going to turn it sideways. That way it's a little easier to do moth scrape. It looks good. Let's make sure it looks good with the outer wings removed. And I think it's going to look fine, you guys. It is. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. I think I get giddy because I'm in awe that I can actually do this. And it may not look perfect to you. I mean, mainly if you do nails all the time, you know, like you might be like, girl, you shouldn't be giddy. And that might be true, but please don't rain on my parade because I can't do my nails at all. So this is cool. I like it. Oh my goodness. I like that moth. Okay. I'm excited. So we're going to do the other side. Doing the other moth. That one is almost perfect. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Oh my goodness, let's zoom. Let's see if we can focus there. Oh yeah, look, perfect. Perfection. Oh my goodness. Hey, it really is true that practice makes beautiful, because look at that. That is a perfect stamp. I'm so excited. Now, when you guys learn how to do this, there is so many techniques out there for all the advanced people that know how to do this, and they do reverse stamping, they do layered with colors, and like almost like a 3D effect. It's just amazing. Be looking for my next video that will be doing these techniques, but on my fake nails, because y'all know I love me some long fake nails. And so be looking for that video. That will be coming up soon, hopefully soonish. And we're going to be doing the pumpkins. We're going to be doing the pumpkins on the longer nails. Okay, so if you're interested in picking up a Maniology plate, they are super affordable, always have sales, and they always have discounted ones. You can even get discounted ones, and a lot of times you can still layer my 20% off coupon code on top of sales. So please go check that out. See if there's anything that you want to start your nail journey with. And we're going to give away this true crime plate that I used today. What I need you to do is subscribe to my channel, and then give this video a thumbs up and go over and subscribe to the Maniology YouTube channel so that you can get in your inbox all the new upcoming things that they're coming out with. So go subscribe to them, subscribe to me, give this video a thumbs up, and when you've done all that, go down in the comments and put done check mark, and then that will let me know, and you must have your subscriptions available for me to check that that has been done. That is my only rule. I will send this out with my own money, and Maniology has nothing to do with this giveaway at all. Neither does YouTube. This is going to be just for me, since I accidentally too, because obviously I love true crime, and I will use my own money to send this out to you. I am not responsible for any kind of lost packages or damage, but also I'll probably throw in some extra little goodies because that's what I always do on my giveaways. I do a lot of giveaways on my channel, so please be looking out for those. Hit your notification bell for upcoming videos. So just a couple of simple things, and you could be getting this Maniology plate. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me down in the comment section, because I like to make content that you guys enjoy. And so let me know if you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you'd like to see more Maniology videos in the future. Oh my goodness, I had to insert this because I forgot to show you with the top coat. And you guys can see it so much better. Oh my goodness, and the shifty shades, so stinking pretty. What do you guys think? There's the thumb with the newspaper and the wanted newspaper articles. So cute. And then the true crime obsessed. And then the skull. Even with my small fingers and having to cut off part of the design, it still looks good. And the roses. The white really stands out, but the shifty shade I really love. In person, you can see the shift, so I'm hoping that maybe I can even do a reel or something so you guys can see the shift outside. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, back to regular scheduled programming. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until the next time, guys, I hope glitter catches your eye but never gets in it. Take care. Bye-bye.